right by this door. They can't come in this door though.
What?
They can't come in that door.
I know they can't.
Why are we hiding in the fridge?
Okay, shut them off.
Why? We ain't off then.
Quiet, I'll never know we're here.
Ah, but it won't open again. If it don't now. I'm just checking.
No, because it's
Oh. Genuine bollocks. Radio someone.
Kev.
Kev.
Dan. Anyone? Hello?
Fuck.
You got a torch?
I have.
Yeah, can you come to that fridge I were in, please? Because McLovin's locked us in the fucking walk-in fridge.
The light don't work. Come to the fucking fridge! Hang on, watch out, watch out. It's happening. Right.
Go.
Sorry. Alright, let's not go in the fridge.
This one's alright, you shut it.
I'm not bothered. Let's not go in the fridge.